Yeah, man. Mr. Rascal, drunk up and playing. You are the first one I saw does that. Bad man, let me tell you something, youth. You are the first blood clot artist. Missy come out of the blood clot gate and I want to fuck down your place. You are the first blood clot artist, Missy Boss. I'm going to put a ring on blood clot finger same time. You are the first blood clot artist, Missy Boss. And everybody are scream your name and go turn blood clot. You made them fool and clown. You are the first artist, Missy, make a blood clot girl. You made the mouth so. On live blood clot internet father. You understand me? And the first me ever see a man make a girl we meet in a 3 month making this in friend them when you know in a 3 year. You're the first brother you want a first brother if you win be a blood clot Grammy. You see me I say? Because I did that tell you about Brii. I want to be like a chopper them not gonna be a fuck that. One of my little chopper. You know me, I just show me chopper of him woman. Any of my chopper never remember Brii. When me chopper have you in the room, chopper lie down on bed so. Chopper have their money. Chopper have money on the bed. You say chopper, can I please take some picture with the money? Because you're a groupie, you're a dirty girl. Chopper fuck you the same blood clot there. Remember, son, never you chopper for fuck, you know. Chopper if you fuck the other blood clot girl when they but you they ring up yourself because as soon as you see chopper money, your pussy get hot. You want to look a dirty girl. I wanted to look at chopper show me boy, you know. Yesterday everybody don't know about fucky dirty blood clot Brii. My Brii pussy hot like a blood clot at wheels, bad man. Me tell us a 360 blah. You know that the bumbo clot hole them G. And chopper fuck out the whole of your bumbo clot hole you take money with take picture with chopper money. Chopper say alright then. Me G, when me see the little boy take up remember chopper fuck your girl. One time you want it a link. Chopper fuck your girl when you want it a link. Me don't know if you did fuck it yet when chopper fuck it. But chopper and Yanit are linking I see a blood clot time because chopper box up one day and bring it for the heads and get a one beat and red. Mama, me have all the video them right now. Me have the video. You can't tell me say a line because me have the video with you in a chopper room, chopper mirror, and chopper the on the bed lay down so money there so side of the chopper, you there sign a panty and brassiere act Gigi. I beg to take picture with money. Remember, Chopper tell me. A Chopper tell me, I know nobody else tell me about Chopper. Chopper tell me, Chopper said, Dan, a big idiot you made girl that. One time I see the artist, I fuck it. Me think so the artist is get all a 1-2 chopper type gut. And I gonna allow it out. But you know, Camille mouth, he's a big bumbo clot idiot. You take a fucking blood clot Brii. What you do? Wife up a drunk crow. Bring the blood clot drunk up on plane. Drunk crow can't fly already, you know. Drunk crow can't fly a blood clot ready, you know. Take up a drunk crow. Drunk crow the on plane with you. Sky high, ugly blood clot bleach out Brii. Bring favor one heel back. Because to your blood clot ugly in a Silkboss. You feel like say you win with this your blood clot makut girl ya. This your pussy clot half bungla skeleton. This your blood clot girl, you feel like you win. Brii no sweet. Brii little wig them ever chaka upon her blood clot head. Me see the little dirty girl and name one chicken one day to blood clot. You can see you know used to KFC. Mama attack the box. Mama attack the leg. I mean, I know if I want fucking tie that in the back. I shall go for the tie next. I never see so much hug. You should not even hug me, no see me, I'm so. Moon even care you got one blood clot 250 cook shop go get sitting here for me, I'm drunk. Not even 2 patty moon turn up a one bus shed. For you near in front of bumbo clot me with your local chaka blood clot cell. Yes, sir. If I only want to take 2,000 dozen, 3,000 dozen money in my hole, I can't take it. Yeah. Hungry. You know used to nothing. You look a blood clot belly starving. You look on the blood clot live act chaka and a name chaka. With your look a dirty blood clot self. Cause some of the girl feel like so wanna go bleach, you know. Wanna get the lick color. Wanna feel like so wanna turn into a new bitch. No, you're the same bitch. You're the same fucking old fucking dirty blood clot bitch. Silkboss, you skin out your what? You the shame. I come into the beat no way you give it. I shame, you shame. Because you're the on TikTok in a brief. Remember? So you, as a big man, your friend then talk to you about it, Yamed. You beat off your whole man, yo, love me and me, Yamed. And you're a blood clot, Yamed. And me no business about me and 10 man a fuck that Yamed. I'm my blood clot, Yamed. This is Yamed, they suck off me hood good. This is Yamed, they ride off me hood good. This is Yamed, they make me a nice one, me fuck it. My blood clot, Yamed, remember? You beat off your friend them. Your friend them, you know for the whole of your blood clot self. You beat them off. For the same little blood clot chicken arc what you have there. You beat them off. You tell Prettidon say, who? Me and Brii. Me Glock 17 and Brii. And that alone me a pray. Now see Brii give with the pussy. What you are going to do but beat it? I beat Brii now. Kick out Brii thinking blood clot. Why? Because the same fucking girl what we talk to you about, the same little fuck box what terrorize with you about, the same little fleas, little ticks where your friend then tell us I go come near about the whole of the little artist money. The same little ginger fly where you have there. Or the same girl you beat now with the man then they don't tell you say you need to allow out a chaka blood clot girl. I must show you and Brii have the same kind of teeth them. Make one blood clot, you feel like you're inseparable. You think you make me love you. Love what? Boy! Oh! And then just that get little pussy one day. Get little dirty pussy and fall in love with it. You get little dirty pussy. Me now go tell you so that I'm to the best chopper them. You reach the best away. Get some dirty pussy and start wife you up. He fuck up your life. And it does that. You like your career done. You beat again. Me pussy club, brother, you're the first man ever get a trophy and beat Yamed. Brother, you're the first man me see get up and beat blood clot Yamed. It's like you get up this morning and you say, Jesus Christ, you know what? Me go beat the blood clot Yamed because Yamed give away pussy. Come on, brother. Brii been a fuck on you like dog. You meet Brii as a dog. You meet blood clot Brii as a dog. So if you get up and a beat this a dog, yeah, and you forget blood clot lick, Brii been a fuck like dog. You think I all wanna slam out that the car door there. Everybody a fuck Brii. So you know get up and beat Brii. The whole I come and them want fuck Brii and feel like a stinking hole. All of them just a laugh off a blood clot. You better use condom. Brii, a STD magnet. You see me? No, you want to beat a war. Fi be a war. He's a fucking idiot. You take up a blood clot, bitch. Deal with the fucking consequence. You know what? Me tap in your throat and tap in your head. Tap in what? Fuck pan girl I go always fuck pan you. Dirty pussy girl always I go fuck pan you. Domestic violence need to look pan a Jamaica. Cause if a foreigner there in a slick boss. You could have been a slick boss. Money boss. Immigration boss, you got blood clot jail because they might find you anywhere your blood clot, they lock you up for the activity where you beat the whore on the phone. You can't beat no woman for be a dog, brother. Allow your loud dog. You fuck dog, come in at their mouth, run dog. You got blood clot, take up dog, make dog the on plane to bumbuckler like a mongrel them are gonna fucking Canada. I had the second somebody me say put mongrel on blood clot plane. Yo, it's a disgrace because hand you hold the show you say you have to take up blood clot mongrel. Put mongrel on plane. No mongrel a fly all bumbo clot but mongrel a fuck for you. What you do? When you see a mongrel when you am Patsy, down your road, you never know what's a Patsy going down your road. That's a fear mongrel. When you go down there, Bruno that the panic. Bruno stuck in a blood clot Patsy. Bruno blood clot stuck in. What you gonna do? Mongrel will be a mongrel. You get up a kicky mongrel. What you gonna do? Go down there. Patsy a for me dog. What you gonna do? Ram a kick in a Patsy belly? Me can't kick Patsy. What me a kick Patsy for? Patsy a dog. going to be a blood clot dog. You can't hand dog it. It's a good dog forever. So you take up a blood clot mongrel. I try to turn it in a pedigree. You're a fucking idiot. No, the mongrel. Fuck by you. Give your fleas and ticks. You want tapping on it. Your mother tell me, say nothing make you come back up there. And your sister, they be there. And your brother, in line. And you know. Brother, listen to me, Byron. Don't beat up the people and Pitney. She depend. Byron. Stop beating me up, Byron. Byron, I beat out you. Wait, what name? What name? Jerry, Byron. What the boy correct name? She call it Job or something like that, our whole name. Joseph. Jimmy, something. She said Jim. Whatever the fuck she said. She said Silkboss. Me no dey have a fucking member man name pussy hole. Me and a direct check. Me a phone contacts. Me no dey have to do that. Me no remember what she call him. If Jerry, Joseph, fucking Job. I don't give a fuck what she call him. What she call him a whole man name. And him did it. And him a beat out. You make me love you. You make me love you. You take up dog. I love dog. Brother, me love for me pit bull too, but I'm not fucking it. I will never fuck a dog. I won't fuck a dog. You take up dog, I fuck dog. Dog give you bun. Dog have all kind of sitting in your food. You're mind mongrel, brother. How to do a mongrel sleep? You take blood clot mongrel asleep in a blood clot bed now. Come mongrel. Mongrel skin out in a bed. Mongrel and him chicken board. How the blood clot you do? Eh? You don't know. Are you? You know if you sing a next blood clot positive song. Somebody if you box them out of your mouth. All you know do, get up every day. Sing about positivity. You don't know nothing about positivity. You Glock 17 and Brii. No, you kick her in her pussy. No, you kick her in her dirty pussy. Why you don't want the Glock 17 and Brii again? Brii said, I want to leave. This is why you're beating me, Byron. Byron, I kick out your blood clot. Yo, one night time, me have to laugh. Cause me never laugh saying in my life yet. At the first beating, me here will give me some more joke. What I my fist in it. You want to say, yo, boy, me have a fist in it, yeah. One fist. Hey, somebody come take me for there, man. Because we kick in the rain there, man. Hey, it was hey. Boy, there's a fist in your eye. Me tapping in your chest and tapping in your throat and tapping in your head. Bobby, that she call the boy for your mama. Thank you, not Byron. Bobby, what me do was I did some B. I can't say me did miss by far. Because normally me gone all the way a space, you know. But me still there, hurt panda one there. Bobby. Say name. Bobby tapping a mama pussy to blood clot. Hey, yo, mama. Hey. And you can't hear the hurt in your voice, brother. Oh, you fall in love with the young so fast. Brother, that the lazy fuck the one me see that the girl there give you. But me couldn't even see what I want. Me not even see the wood in a hole or nothing. On a sex tape boring. Coming like a church sex tape that. That's a bumbo clot of a young Rami. Like a when you beat to a young Rami in a fucking gut. Me say me bumbo clot. Phone sex tape is all about the nice. The funny little blood clot, you ever want to look a mosquito. Let's go with the mosquito. When you come to my mosquito right there in front of my face. Mosquito, the right. Bumbo clot, where pyro? Where the blood clot there? You want to see favor a little sit will come in a blood clot men in black. But Silkboss there with him blood clot donkey teeth them. Feel like him a do something. Feel like you have blood clot do something with your fucking Brii. Brii to your whole big. You just a go. Mama, there is no way. You can't tell me say you have grip. To how you going, it's like you not feel Silkboss hood. So you go powerful. Boy, you're nice. Yeah, carry on, bitch. I heard you, bitch. Yeah, carry on. I be nice. You make more nice than what go on down there. So you don't want nobody hear you slack, dirty wall. Slow. Cause Silkboss say I beat round there like a 38, you know. Slow. I be a slowings. You hear, me I say, yo, me not fuck no girl who make some nice like blood clot idiot. You know Silkboss not do nothing. Why would they? I know me not see no hood in no hole. Who know they look a fake sexy. Nobody not fuck like that. That fuck boring. If I that you beat girl over Silkboss, you're not used to pussy. No girl cannot fuck me so basic, come here beat him. No man, that the fuck that too basic, not even your hoodie never do that sharp like regulars. Pussy well idiot boy. That is not a sex tape, that is shame tape. You not go on with nothing. Not even nobody who know back their fist to that. Because when you see what go on, always see one blood clot mosquito make be a blood clot nice. You want a blood clot pyro? You want a pyro bumbo clot little girl. You feel one little wingworm when you up there wine for wood bow. Silkboss in blood clot donkey teeth there. Me I say with the blood clot this. Me don't watch animal the fuck. Because that's not pleasant. And when the bomb buckler, see two fucking animals them. Silkboss here, look like he hard. You have asthma, brother? You have asthma, man? You must have blood clot as well. Like, you can barely fucking go. You and this a blood clot girl, a Brii like young little girl. You fuck wild. You coming like a wild blood clot goose. That you look like a what? Oh, loose is your goose. How funky is your monkey? Oh, loose is your goose. I say you look like a blood clot goose. Up there. You never want blood clot garland. You see what I'm saying? But see if I'm dirty Silkboss. Silkboss, with him blood clot teeth. Them lock your mouth, brother. You fucking open your mouth so you look sitting in your blood clot. Eh? Where am I going with so? Make your mouth open and you blow us a shot. I want one. Eh? Blood clot this. Brother, no girl can fuck me so basic and me a beat him. You mad? Eh? That the basic, that the girl look like say, when time win a blow a kite up in the blood clot ear. No rhythm, no volume, nothing. Who know just a fuck wild? Eh? Dark 17 and Brii. Brii can't ride cocky. Brii can't ride no blood clot hood. She don't even know how to second down little lady. You know, second down on the blood clot hood and boom it off. Boom it off. Boom it off. She don't know. She just wild. Me say what the bomb buckle. I want me to watch. I rape this or else she willfully do it. Like you hold up. Silkboss in them blood clot. Look so fucking retarded. Bad man. Who do you think gonna get that man for fool, Parry? Hey, Parry? That they are fucking sexy, Parry. Oh, that are sexy, Parry. Brii, if I that Silkboss, you figure jail. I choose Jamaica no look for domestic violence as nothing. If you call Jamaica police and tell them say your man run a yard they beat you, they not come. Tell them say you see neighbor with a gun, they probably come. Tell them say man shot somebody and run off in the nearby bushes, them are forward. Remember that. So right now, which part you there, you should have there. But you fall in love with Brii. If that to my sex life look like, what? Get up. Move your ass, lad, and get up. I fuck that. If that you beat dirty blood clot Brii fuck, it won't go to jail. Brii come and talk about say, sex tape nice. Brii, we can smell in our room. Shut your little sardine pan. Shut your little blood clot sardine pan. We can smell in our blood clot room. Dirty Brii. Brii, you fuck everybody. Me know your pussy not smell like a regular hole. That's not a regular pussy. Not a regular pussy. That they smell like tuna and sardine in a one. And pink salmon. You see me pretty? You understand what I deal with? Some wet mackerel, some saltfish. You all of that mix up in a fear blood clot thinking front move. You see me? Me can smell it at the blood clot room by your Silkboss either. So now Silkboss we could talk about the beat now. You as a girl clown. Girl a fuck you so basic. Take them back to basic like wacky. This I look like what time Willie Bungs did come on. Girl a fuck you so basic, sure you say you never fuck girl yet. For sure you say you can never be a girl man. You there take care of one blood clot girl we still a fuck and a text from blood clot you. And before you go look at new girl you beat her. Brother, that don't make no blood clot sense because if a foreign here today you look a career done right now because you die in a prison a rotten out and a think. You see me? I told Jamaica have nothing to do with blood clot domestic violence because no matter how you look a girl a want whore. Me not give you no right for put all your hand on she. You have to know say you better than that and run with blood clot she, my father. You understand me? You not married, you don't have nothing at all to blood clot together. You don't even have an ear together yet. But you want to be so in love and beat out this woman your ass. It shows say you're an insecure human. It shows you say you cannot even control your whole circle as a man. It shows that this woman you control you. You not no control in a your blood clot relationship, bad man. If you find a woman being disloyal to you, the first thing is not to dare box down this woman, kick down this woman, do anything at all to this woman. The first thing you do as a man, you take your stuff and you leave. You are not going to live like this with this woman, you leave. If she want to live, you make she go on. You understand what I deal with? What if one time you did tap in her throat, tap in her head, she did dead? It still not give her right. All she could have fucked by you, could have your blood clot brother she fuck. She could have fucked your brother and Prettidon and the whole of them were in the blood clot circle. You don't have no right to put your hand on her. If people want you say you're there with that aura, you willfully go take up this aura and there with her, she will text for you. That means you didn't accept her as a aura, you know. You accept this dog shit. This woman where you are beat up right now, for them your activity or what she do, it shouldn't move you at all. Because people told you what she was and you were willing to accept this challenge. When you see a woman like that, you are saying as a man you are doing everything right. Yeah, take care of her, yeah, fly out drunk, the plane, mongrel, you fuck. Mongrel, you all over the blood clot world. You take up it for your head. You know if you beat up this woman, yeah, that means you take it up as a man. You say, your mother said, me not to send you back up there. Your sister said, me not to send you back up there. Meaning they give you full responsibility of a child, and probably them can't even angle. Because she look like a troubled individual when not even in parents them can't deal with. You see me? So what make you feel like you can do a difference? Because you come and you spend look of money, you feel like you can wife up drunker and make drunker life better. And that's how you go. When you realize that all that you are doing still not make this loyal or be loyal, what you do? You take up your money and you go through the door. What kind of love you have for this woman here? So make you have to tap in her throat and tap in her head and kick him in her pussy. Everybody tell you say she don't go cheat for you. You know say she was a dog shit. And she come in your blood clot inbox. Why are you surprised that this woman right now I be disloyal to you? You feel like true you spend some money. You feel like say true you're an artist. You shouldn't feel give you a bunch. You feel listen everything what you say. No, brother. And that's how you go. She's a little disloyal or and disloyal or go do what disloyal or do. Disloyal or go fuck by you. Them a go text by you. Them a go in other people inbox to you just like how they come in a feel. See, I'm like how she did come seek you out. She not done yet. This your girl is all about what she want. She don't want to know no. She want money. She a fuck for blood clot things. So when you did take up this your girl here, where your sister aim for be high all about in your video, in your song them, you don't realize there's a little cloud chaser girl this man. This a girl a fuck for her props. She fuck for what she want, her pussy put her on the blood clot map. So if you as a man take her up knowing all of this and then a beat her, you figure a prison, not just jail, prison. You take up a woman where you think you could have angle her, no, you can't angle it. So you think the way of the angle it, of the beat her. No, bro. Walk the fuck away. You see say you can't tame her. You love her. And you alone she a fucks away you think. You think you alone she da go fuck. She sure you say her pussy hot. She sure you say she fucky. So what you think gonna happen? You think you are Silkboss so you have to look at you by YouTube, you know why you fly her go England. She not go text nobody. She have to there your foot and not do nothing. No, a whore that. A whore is going to be a blood clot whore. So if you can manage a whore, what you take you up for? You know if you see bum buckler, fucky dog shit, girl and load them man. Hunger man.